marching as to war, with the cross of Jesus going on